Hello again, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another TTcombat MDF kit. It's an oldie, the police truck, and it's a little worse for wear. As you can see the obvious slots, the side there. Very, very patchy kind of design. We're going to have to cover up a lot of all this stuff. The wheels we're going to replace entirely. I've got a whole shaboogle of them here, all kind of pre-done and things, and we'll probably just use ones from old Lego toy sets this time, just to be a little different. And yeah, the lights on the top, this is them here, they're just acrylic plastic. I'm not going to bother using them this time because they look crap. It's very hard to tell them apart and things, so I'm going to use rhinestones instead if I can. And let's have a look at the back of the sheet here, see if we get any push outs. We've got one there. This is my term for any extra bits that don't belong in the set that you can use for other things. That one there. And these little bits of MDF, they're ideal for making packaging and such like for post-apocalyptic builds. There's another one there. So we've got 1, 2, 3. I think there's a fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. But yes, it all just comes on one sprue, which is nice. So we should be able to get this one done and dusted pretty quickly. Speak to you again soon once it's all done. Hello again, and we're back. And here it is. I was going to go with blue, and I did actually paint the whole damn thing blue. But then I thought, actually, how many police cars are actually blue? And I went and looked up some reference pictures and found out that none of them were. It had all been in my head. I just, associate the color blue with police, but it's not a thing. So most armored police cars are black, and a lot of police cars tend to be white or black, or have some sort of like bright yellow chevrons and stuff. And I thought, well, since it's an armored truck, I'd go with a kind of a black and white kind of aesthetic. And yes, I'm pretty damn pleased with this. We've gone with the whole black, and then we've just edge highlighted with silver. Pretty damn simple. Bit of white paint for the letters. None too shabby. And we've attached on all of our rhinestones there for the lights, which is pretty effective. And you can see them glinting and reflecting. And those mirrored windows, yeah, definitely works a treat. So yes, pretty happy. And I thought, it's a bit too black and a bit too blocky, so I thought, what can spruce it up a bit? And I thought, I wasn't going to do the textured paint at all, because I thought, it doesn't need it. So I thought I'd try something new. So I've got pastels on here to do some weathering. And if you'd like to see a bit more of how I've done that, I'll put it in a future video for you. But that's all I've got for you today, so bye.